This 12-year-old girl sneezes 12,000 times a day.
Some kid ends up making fun of me or something like that, and it just gets...
She can barely finish a sentence.
She had kind of a funny feeling that she describes in her nose, and that piece of her history is very common for tics.
The weirdest part, the only thing that slows it down is listening to the Beatles.
I can control it sometimes, but it's really painful.
She can't go to school and can't really do anything normal. It's affected everything.
An episode yesterday where it was 45 straight minutes. She was screaming in pain a couple of times. All I can do is just, hold her tight and wait for her to go to sleep.
This has taken a huge toll on my life. I want nothing more than for this to end.